This is just a short little how-to on how to use your snap circuit baggies. All right, so you're gonna, when you go over to the table to grab the snap circuits, you're gonna find little baggies made up in a yellow stackable container. You're gonna start by taking a baggie back to your seat. You're gonna dump out the contents, and inside you should find 2 batteries. You should find at least 1 set of snap wires. They could be any length, okay? They could look like this or like this. It does not matter, either or works, okay? You should see a light, a battery holder, and a switch, and one of these double alligator clips, okay? What we're going to do to start out is we're gonna put our batteries in the battery holder. You've got your flat end of your batteries, which is the negative end, and the end with the nubbin on them, which is your positive end. You're gonna put the flat negative end against the springs each time, okay? Then you're gonna take your wires, your snap wires, you're gonna put one on the positive side, one on the negative side, okay? When you look at things like lights, you're gonna see that there's gonna be a plus on one side of the item, and then the other side is either gonna have a negative or nothing. So what we do is we wanna make sure that our power runs from the negative, which is where all the electrons are, to the positive side where there are virtually no electrons. So to do that, the first thing I put in my snap circuit, I need to make sure that I line up. So negative goes to negative, positive to positive, and it should light up. Now you can't see the red light up on the camera because red lights don't work on digital cameras. So I'll show you the same option, okay, with a yellow light that is apparently dead. Alrighty. Okay, or there we go. All right, so same deal. Now you can see the different colors glowing. Now, when you go to start building your bigger and bigger circuits, you are going to keep connecting positives to negatives. So if this nubbin is negative, I put a positive on it, and then I'll connect it to run it. Now, in a series circuit, just remember that that one amount of power is split evenly between all of your things you are trying to power. So you may need to add additional battery packs as part of your larger series circuit. If you're doing a parallel circuit, instead of that necklace layout, you're gonna lay your things out like railroad tracks, and you're gonna see that those same lights that we could not light earlier now all light in that amount of power. You're going to see we have the 2 wires and then connected by snaps, okay? So just a heads up on the troubleshooting, always make sure that you attach positive to negative when you're making your circuits, that they match up, okay? When you're all done, take everything apart, including the batteries on your battery holder so they don't drain. Put everything back in your baggie, and then you're good to go.